Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you're not subscribed, please to go ahead, hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have any video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey boos, what's up? What do you do? What's going on with you guys? Yeah, I've been missing. I know. I don't need to explain too much. I don't need to say too much. You guys know my voice. Okay, I'm a little bit ill, but we're in a good shape. And yeah, without any further ado, I don't want to come here and blah blah boo. Okay, we ain't getting no time for that at the moment. We just need to be strong. Heart goes for those people out there lost their family, their loved ones, big time. But yeah, let's be strong. So without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this cut crease, kind of peachy cut crease with a peachy ombre lip, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. I use are going to be listed down below. This is not my regular intro, but guys, take me for who I am sometimes. Okay, thank you. Like I always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. In case I don't say anything, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not in my best mood. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, take care of his child. Today we are going to be doing a full face makeup tutorial, and before I start this tutorial, I just want to introduce you to the palette I'm going to use to achieve this eyelid product. You guys have seen me a couple of times use it, so we're just going to focus on this palette. What's it called? Konnichiwa Tokyo, the name. Okay, Konnichiwa Tokyo. Okay, I hope you pronounce it better, but that is the best I can pronounce it. Konnichiwa. This palette, right? Mirror, as you can see, and yeah, affordable palette, 6 something if I'm not mistaken. Only this palette. I'm not going to switch up to another palette. And yeah, without any further ado, no long talking, baby girls. Mama had a little bit breakout. I think I've press it 100 times today so that I can really get on camera and film this tutorial for you guys. I'm super duper excited. My face is already moisturized off camera. You guys know I always do that. I'm going to be using a new beauty blender that I got from drugstore. Super dense. I just got attracted to this beauty blender or sponge, reason being the color. It's just a beautiful, kind of remind me of rainbow color, like Retechnique. Of course, Retechnique is only great. I decided just to do something different, play around with some makeup tools, period. So to start up, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Mattifying Primer. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger to apply that all over my face. Winter, it's just oxidize my skin, make my skin a little bit hydrating, if that is the right word, I believe. If not, whatever. For the second primer, I'm going to be taking this milk hydro primer. Okay, it's going to do 2 pump here. So yeah, a little bit of dew because we are going to be using the matte foundation. I'm going to be taking this Marc Jacob Fantasy Nude Drops, this one right here, Fantasy Nude Drop. I think we're okay like that because a little bit, darlings, goes a long way. So to blend in the drop onto my face, I'm going to be taking the NYX Professional Makeup Brush. A little bit goes a long way. Okay, so it's going to give me that within glow. In addition, today I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock Tattoo in the shade Deep Warm. I think it's going to be enough because this foundation right here, you don't want to joke with it, baby girl. I'm just going to warm it at the back of my hand first before I go in and apply it all over my face. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Magic Setting Spray. This one right here. I'm just going to spray my face a little bit. I forgot, but I just had to do it right now. And it's really soft. Super soft. Super soft. Under my eye, and I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Mercier. Yeah, just going to highlight, baby girl. Fenty Beauty Profile Concealer in the shade 470. This brush by Beautyartist. Do dab, but I can't do dab. When I do dab, it's not going to blend that well, just going to stick there. So I'm just going to do a circular motion. Complaining. For the price, you don't need to complain. It's a drugstore beauty blender, okay? 3 for €5.99. Hey, baby girl. I'm going to be taking my Ride or Die contour brush. I'm going to be taking my contour brush. I'm just going to blend out the edges for any harsh line before I go in with the foundation brush. Cute! So I'm going to go in with the foundation brush just to blend everything together. I love to do this, guys. I love to do this. I love the result. Set under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin. I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. It's my nose. And I go ahead and set my forehead. Press. First layer, press. And then I'm going to do extra sharp contour. Blush by MAC, and it's called Raizin. This one right here, and it's going to serve as my contour, okay? This was my first blush ever bought. Sometimes off camera, maybe when I'm going out, I do use it. Okay, I do use it. I have to be real. Have everything under control. Okay, don't worry. Eyebrow products. Okay, this one is in medium to dark. Okay, so to be taking this angle brush from Gestop. This one is a brow liner 322. Just going to take the darker one. To clean my eyebrow, guys, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution foundation stick in e.l.f. The reason why I'm using this stick foundation, sometimes I just want to make use of my makeup, you know. Line there is kind of a waste of coins, you know. To blend my brow bone, I'm going to be taking this silver face shape brush. And I'm going to use the same foundation as my eyeshadow base, okay. Just start with this shade right here, this one right here. Starts to blend out my crease. I'm going to focus on my crease right now. Same time, I'm just going to flood it out. I notice this palette has a little bit of fallout, but let's see when time goes if the shade is going to stay on our lid. Gestop Petite Eye Blender. This shade right here, very pigmented. So I'm just going to apply that on top of those 3 shades I've applied so far. So I'm going to blend it out. This 2 shades right here. To blend out the edges, make sure you dust the excess away. I'm using this brush because I don't want it to get to my brow bone. So with this brush, I can really get control over it. I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade, the first transition shade. I'm going to use that as my brow bone very softly. Perfect brow bone highlight for me. Wow, guys, I love it. I love it. DK All Nighter Concealer Weightless Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Dark Natural. Louvia brush to cut my crease. Run 247 when you apply it on your lid, period. So you gotta work first. It's a shader brush, okay, super soft. I'm going to take this shade, I'm just going to pat it all over my eye, lay it up. Shade, it kind of reminds me of Patrick Star blush. This beautiful shade, this orange shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that a little bit on the crease. Okay, just watch me doing. Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. Best Stop brush. I'm going to be taking this shade. What I love about this palette, when you just do one coat, it's popping out like nobody concerned. You know what I mean? And I don't really have any complaint. I'm happy with the palette. Before I go in with my upper liner, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place blush, and this one is in Bella. Taking this Kiko Milano 08 brush. Whoa, that was quite a lot. See, I did my eyeliner off camera and I went ahead and applied my false lashes because you guys have seen a million times. Save it for another drama. So right now I'm just going to go straight ahead and apply my highlighter, Milani, and this one is called Candlelight. This Swiver Lux highlighter brush, just a very tiny bit, you guys know. A brow gel, transparent. I'm just going to set my brow. For mascara, I'm going to be taking this Love Lashes Offer mascara. So to line my lips, I'm going to be taking the Max Factor lip liner, brown and bold. I'm going to, or should I try this one? Maybe I should try this one. I'm going for matte today. It's in Dark Face, and this lipstick is super full coverage. Like seriously, with one coat or two, you are Gucci. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. I'll be right back. Let me remove my hairband and change my outfit and do my coils. Standing it up.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down.